What is going on, everyone? Crypto Underground is back with another update video on Bitcoin. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, guys, and of course also we're gonna have a nice compilation of the newest cryptos that I'm watching out right now. So welcome everyone. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Our crypto community is growing every day, guys. I'm here to update you every day what is going on here in the crypto space, and of course check out all links in the video description to the best upcoming cryptos that I'm watching out right now, and of course also exchanges that I'm using here in the crypto space. Everywhere you get some nice sign up and deposit bonuses. And of course, remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to entertain you and also to give you my own price predictions and expectations in the crypto market. So we're gonna dive here straight into the Bitcoin price. We're just going sideways, guys, and we are of course still in this uptrend in the weekly time frame. As long as we are creating higher highs and higher lows, we should expect, of course, this trend to continue to the upside. I'm pretty bullish here for Bitcoin and overall the crypto market for the next coming weeks and months. Also based on different indicators and charts that we have covered in different videos, I'm expecting here a nice run up. As you can see, this is the crypto total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is of course now at the brink to break out to much higher levels. If here we're going to have a nice breakout to the upside from this rising wedge or ascending triangle. If not, then of course we're going to crash down towards the support long term, and that would mean that we're going to see maybe Bitcoin and also Ethereum outperforming the rest of the crypto market. We will see, but in general we should remain bullish because of this chart, guys, the crypto total market cap. And you can see that from this ascending triangle that we formed here, or even a cup and handle, we can call it this almost, we have a nice breakout to the upside. We came down to retest the new support, previous resistance, and now of course we should expect here a nice continuation to the upside for the next coming weeks and months. The breakout target in theory is all the way up here at 10 trillions. We will see if this is going to happen, but this is, at least in my expectations here and my TA, the potential target. And that would mean that we could see almost a 3x in most of the cryptos. Hopefully. Of course, no financial advice, guys, my own opinion only, and that's why I am so bullish here for Bitcoin and of course for overall the crypto market. And that's why I'm not only watching out here for Bitcoin and what Bitcoin is doing, I'm anyway buying every now and then into Bitcoin. I'm also trading, of course, Bitcoin with the shorts and longs here over on BitUnix. Sign up to BitUnix, guys. You have a nice deposit bonus and also giveaways here running if you fulfill certain things like a deposit bonus or trading volume. You can see here the different trading volumes that you can achieve, and then of course this is the bonus and additional rewards that you can get. So take advantage of that. You have to sign up, of course, to BitUnix with the link in the video description right here at the top. I'm gonna put it because like that you cannot miss it out. You can sign up, no KYC, nothing required here, and then you can immediately start to trade all the cryptos that you want. Also, if you want to buy Ethereum and other altcoins that sometimes are needed in order to invest into the newest upcoming cryptos that are only available on the pre-market phases, then of course you need some cryptos. And therefore, I'm watching out, of course, into some specific ones that you can find here in the video description. And you need, of course, those cryptos in order to invest into those coins. So, for example, we have Perpetual. This is also a long-running a pre-market coin that you can buy in right now before it is launching. Also, they are bringing out a lot of updates recently here on their X account, and you can see that also here they're doing a lot of updates on their website, so check it out, guys. Perpetual is still available, and you can also stake it for 264% API. Also here, you can see that you need Ethereum, Tether, or also BNB in order to connect here to these pre-market coins. So you can connect your wallet, like MetaMask, for example. I'm usually connecting MetaMask, and of course, you can also use card, for example, and then you can buy into this coin before the launch. And we don't know yet when it's going to launch, but of course, meanwhile, we can buy and stake it for 264% staking rewards. Then we have also others that are currently extremely hyped, like Token 6900. And remember, guys, we had this SPX 6900, this similar meme coin that also had a very similar website to Token 6900. And you can see what happened with this coin. It went, of course, to the moon. And now everyone is looking at the next one, which is this one over here. If we switch over into English, you can see here that Token 6900, they gave us SPX 6900. Now we have the new one. And hopefully, of course, this one will perform the same. No one knows that. But here, of course, we have a very similar website, a very similar project. And hopefully this one will perform same or even better. We will see, but I have invested into this one, guys. You can also here connect the wallet and buy and stake it for 49% rewards if you want. If you don't want to stake it, then of course you can just buy the tokens. And here also, every time that the countdown is going down to 0, the price keeps increasing until the launch price. So also here you can buy and stake it, of course. Then we have Bitcoin Hyper, this new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin, raising almost 5 million. This is, of course, right now the biggest pre-market coin. They have already passed through different trust and safety audits, CoinSold and SpyWolf. You can check it out here on the website. And also Bitcoin Hyper is a meme coin and also a layer 2 on top of meme coin. So also here we have a completely new hype that is ongoing. And then last but not least, we have Snorter, this new Solana meme coin trading bot as well, where you can also buy and stake it for 170% staking rewards. Also here, I'm getting everyday rewards while we are waiting for the launch, and that's why it is good to buy early into those coins. They are risky, of course, no promises, no guarantees that they are going to be successful as SPX 6900, but of course, at least we have the chance. And therefore, if you want to check them out, guys, all links in the video description, Token 6900, Bitcoin Hyper, Snorter, and so on, Pepeto, all of them you're going to find here. So check them out, guys. And of course, I keep you updated. So stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're going to see us all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Crypto Underground over for now.